So I thought I would film a little more. I'm almost finished. I don't really know how much you can see. I like to flatten it. Oh, it's starting to look really good. Oh, I can't hold it back enough. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's gonna be gorgeous. I'm so excited about it. I ended up just getting these new pens last night. I'm not really crazy about them yet. I think I prefer the clear versus the those other types. I have some. I'm sorry, I'll try to move slower. Here's my bin. This is for just this one, and this is for 2 labs that I did that are at Michael's getting framed right now. And then here's some of the inserts. And I bought this. I was confused about, I have to look and see what I bought it for. I think it's so that when I'm working horizontally, things don't fall. But what was wonderful is I dropped, I don't know if you could see it, but I dropped some diamonds on the floor. These I'm not going to pick up, but the other ones I dropped, I was able to use it and pick it up. And then there are my puppies. Look at it. Oh, isn't that sweet? It's Sadie, Honey, AJ. Hey, AJ. And my baby Peach Georgia. Come here, AJ. Oh, honey. They got groomed at the pet parlor yesterday. We were so impressed by the work. We're going to go back in. Oh, hello, Pooh Bear. Hello, your eyes are dirty now because we're getting blood work on Saturday to see if everything's wrong. But look, he's so clean. Oh, he's so clean. So happy. Look at his little tail go. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Those are the pups. Bye.